Are you ready to move? Yeah, let's groove. Shapes in the air, shapes everywhere. Let's shimmy, let's share. Circle, circle, round and wide. Hands up high, arms open wide. Spin real slow, then faster now. Like a big old wheel, wow, wow, wow. Silly shape shimmy, move to the beat. Slide to the left, tap your feet. Jump up high, wiggle down low. Shapes come alive now, go, go, go. Triangle, triangle, three sides tight. Bounce 3 times, left to right. Hands up high, make a peak. Now point down low, let's bring the heat. Silly shape shimmy, move to the beat. Slide to the left, tap your feet. Jump up high, wiggle down low. Shapes come alive now, go, go, go. Square, square, box so neat. 4 sharp sides, slide your feet. Step to the front, step it back. Make a little square, just like that. And circle, triangle, square, so cool. Move your body, learn in school. Hands to the sky, now let's twist. Silly shapes dance, don't you miss. Silly shape shimmy, move to the beat. Slide to the left, tap your feet. Jump up high, wiggle down low. Shapes come alive now, go, go, go. And shimmy left, shimmy right, spin around.